Hello guys, this is the slow English speaking practice video. In this video, I will show you how to practice English because of I took a challenge for 6 months, at least 6 months to find out how much my fluency going to you know so this is the only reason because of this is my fluency and this is my level of English. I know I am a beginner because I don't know how to speak in English. So that is why I will practice daily for only 10 to 20 minutes daily. I will practice. And after 6 months, I will see how much how much I will improve in my future. After 6 months, I will see how much I overcome and I fluent. And after 6 months, I will see how much we will improve. This is why I am practicing daily for 10 to 20 minutes and I will upload. This is the day 2. This is the day 2. I am practice on my camera with my camera and I am speaking. I don't know what the topic is for today making this video and my practice, but practice, not practice. This is what this is. I don't know. I will not edit this video. I will not gonna trim any part which is I fumbled, I stuck in this video. So I will not trim or edit this video. This is I will upload raw and real because in future after 6 months I will watch these types of video so I can analyze and I will see my insight through this video. Okay, this type of fluency I had in the past, I will I will see in my future through this video. And that is why I I will decide that some improvement has been done or not. So this is why. So if I talk about today routine, if I talk about daily routine, today itself I woke up around 8 a.m. in the morning. Not so early, not so late, but this is my usual time. I wake up 8 a.m. in the morning and get up around the same time. I wake up around 8 a.m. and get up around after 5 minutes because 5 it may takes 5 minutes to you know this is the voice problem. This is not shareable but I am sharing. So if you are a boy you can relate me. If you woke up you need 5 minutes at least to get up. Then get up, I you know go to the toilet, take a bath or such kind of stuff and such kind of habits and such kind of acts we usually do, we all do in the morning. Huh? you know brush your teeth and take a shower and such kind of things. And I breakfast around at 11 a.m. I don't know why but I was starving but I could not eat. I ate and I took my breakfast today around at 11 a.m. you know and because I was listening, I was yes, after ready, after the such kind of things we usually do in the morning. I am listening English. I am listening, podcast on YouTube. So this is, I feed my mind in English in the morning few words so that my mind process in English only whole day long. This is the only reason I listen, I read only few times, not so much time, around a 10 minute, 20 minute, whatever it may goes. But yes, I do such kind of act and such kind of habit. I am, taking. I am watching, I was watching a video in which video a court proceeding has been, in continuance. A court proceeding, I can say this, that video was about court proceeding. The court proceeding was running in the video, and a advocate from his toilet appearing through appearing through VC, and you know he didn't even turn off the camera. He opened the camera in the toilet and use, everyone was seeing. But yeah, I don't know the future of the, how can I express my feeling? If the future is C, then what we can say? I don't know. I don't know. I am thinking now why he didn't switch off the camera, because we have options while we are appearing through VC. We have option to turn off the mic and turn off the camera, and we can switch, turn on or turn off. But that guy in the toilet appearing through VC for his case, or appearing and appearing, in the toilet and sitting on the toilet, and everyone was saying कि he is doing such kinds, and I don't know कि this, this act must be amount to, contempt of code. I will, you can see on the, I watched that video on the page of Law Meme Society on Instagram. So you can see there, the page handle is Law Meme Society. I am, still in shock why he didn't turn off the camera. You can also turn off the camera, okay? But I don't know why, what's going on, and how he can become a successful advocate, because his career is in danger now. I am practicing English right now, and I am try to convey my message and convey my ideas to you in English. But I know I am not able to structure the, correct sentence, and I don't know, even I don't know how to express my, thoughts, and I don't know how to express my, feeling, what I want to say. But in my mind, I am so fluent, but when I try to speak out and try to convey my message, the blunder has blunder happens, because some word is there that don't, come on my tongue, because my tongue is not used to. This is how I am. But I am trying to, if I train my tongue to speak in English, so my mind sending signal to my tongue कि yes, you have to speak at least 10 to 20 minutes only in English. So you have to focus on English only. So my mind give me words. I don't know what kinds of words he is giving, because if you feeding mind in English, if you feeding your mind in English, your mind give your mind will give words in English to your tongue to speak out. So my mind is not giving such kind, such I don't know, I don't have fluency, but I guess my mind, I want to try to, convey. My mind, if I train my mind only in English, to my mind give output in English and give output and give signal to my tongue, to our tongue to speak out. But our tongue not used to those words. That is why the words don't come to our tongue, because of I don't have practice to speak out. And this is why people are saying all of the videos on YouTube which I watched, and I watches कि speak loud if you are reading, and keep practicing, because practice is most important. So this is the actual reason, because of if your mind sending your words to your tongue to speak out, but if you don't have the practice and your tongue is not used to it, those words to speak out, you got fumbled, and you will not able to you know speak out clearly. Your accent will so word, and this is the such kind of things. And now this video and now, and if you like the video, if you are joining me through my journey for 6 months to improve English, this is how I will practice daily. This is my second day of practice. You know what, I will practice daily at least 10 to 20 minutes. I don't know, but will whatever the but maybe the topic, but I will speak. I don't know about which I will talk in my next video. I don't know, but I will speak. I can make blogs. I can, make some theories. I can, whatever I will do in my future, I don't know. But I will, practice daily, and I will upload videos while I will practice, because of I will practice in front of my camera. So I will capture all of my practice journey. You know what? This is how I am learning English. So I am not so fluent, I know, but I want to get some word to my tongue, so that my tongue used to those words to, if I want to speak and I want to converse, I want to communicate with someone.